How's it going, everybody? So as you just saw, I wiped down the whole Jeep with some isopropyl alcohol to make sure it's dust free. I did go over it with 220, that's why I had to do the isopropyl. But as you can see, I did already start priming just to see how it looked and how it went on. It goes on pretty good. I do gotta do a couple layers, but I do have a time lapse for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy. And let's get started. Alright guys, so I just put 3 coats of primer on this whole thing. I was using this automotive primer. I've been using it for pretty much everything I need to prime. I didn't really want to do epoxy primer because I don't think it really needs that. But I'm going to let this dry for a little bit. It's already pretty dry to the touch, but you do see I got a couple little spillage. That's the problem with spray paint. But let it dry for maybe 10-15 more minutes or so. Then I'm going to come back and sand it. So it's always recommended to use a guide coat on this, but if you really don't want to go out and spend the money for guide coat, you can really just get this matte black 99-cent spray paint, and this works perfectly fine. So I'm just going to layer a soft layer over this, and I'm going to sand it all down. Alright, I sprayed a coat over. With the matte black, you have to wait like a minute or so, but it's not that big of a deal. But then you take your 320 right here, and I have just this little block right here. It's a little spongy, and I'm just going to wrap this around here, and I'm going to just sand it down. And then this block is also a 400 and 600 grit, so I'm going to do 400 and then 600. After that. You do not need to spray water on this. You can if you want. It saves the paper a little bit, but you really don't have to. Guys, so I finished up sanding all of this. This is nice and smooth, nice and straight. As you guys might be able to tell, yeah, it looks pretty good. So this is going to be the end of the episode. It's all nice, smooth sanded. I still got to do the grill, fenders, and prime and sand those. But these do look pretty good. The color we're going to paint this is a nice teal color. We saw a picture online and we really liked it, so we're going to paint it teal, and then we're going to bedline the inside. Thank you all for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Share with your friends. And thank you all for watching. Goodbye.